How to fix Instagram not letting post more than 10 photos. Let's get started. First up, update the app Instagram. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it and try to upload the pictures. Now you might be able to upload more than 10 photos at once. Likewise, next thing you want to do is clear cache for the Instagram. So launch Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. Now from this list of apps, find Instagram, launch it, click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. Then you can try to upload the pictures. This might fix your issue. If none of these solutions work, launch your Instagram. Now navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Help. Click on the option Report your problem. Click on Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't Include and continue. And here briefly explain about the issue and send it that you are not able to upload more than photos at once even though you're using the latest version of Instagram. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram not letting you post more than 10 photos at once. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.